Today I'm going to show you guys how to fix the headlights on a 2010, 2011, and 2012 Mazda 3. One of the easiest fixes you can do. So let's go. What you'll first want to do is pop the hood. So we'll start here on the left side, the driver's side, and what you'll do is you'll come down here to the light and you'll see that the headlight is attached to these like wiring harnesses here. So what you'll want to do is push down and it should pop off right there. And you'll have this green wire hanging off. What you do here is you twist it. You can do this with one hand. Twist it, and there you go. I'm using the Sylvania H11. And I've already put these in. So what you'll do is you'll pop it back in and you'll go sideways. You can see it here. Pop that in, twist it down. And you'll see the green and you'll squeeze that back in there. Squeeze it back in and you're good to go. The right side or the passenger side is a bit harder, so you'll come around to the light right here and you'll see the same thing. So you'll pop this down. There's a little tab. Pop it down. This one I needed two hands for, but very simple. Green part pushes down, just a tighter space. And again, you'll twist the headlight bulb to the left. Also doable, probably better with two hands, but let me pause it and I'll show you. So again, twist right out, and there it is, Sylvania H11. And you'll pop it back in, and I'll twist it back down. Once that's twisted back in, you'll feel the connection, and you'll just pop the green tab right back in. And when you're done, you'll have your new headlights. So it'll go from this to this.